So I came out to the greenhouse and there was a chipmunk in that box. It jumped out of that hole and it chewed that hole and was eating the bird seed for our bird feeder. And then you could see all the plastic pieces right there. Even some chipmunk poo right there also. And there's a hole where it went in. It was crazy. When I came in, it actually scared me because it just jumped out and ran away. So now I had to go out and buy a metal can, another bag of bird food, and there's the lid for the metal can. So I put the feed in the metal can and it looks a lot better. That bag almost filled it up. So now I have the metal can with the bird feed right where I want it. And no more chewing plastic for the chipmunk. But the next thing I'm going to be concerned about is I caught the chipmunk on top of this black plastic garbage can lid, and I think it's already made plans for its next adventure.